So today's Sunday, and this weekend was very relaxing. On Friday evening after work, I met some friends and we had a nice girl time, very needed. On Saturday, we went rather spontaneously to Regensburg, city an hour and a half away from Munich. It was super nice, very sunny, still wintry-ish, but very, very sunny. Opinions on the cat cafe?
It's very good.
Yeah, actually food was surprisingly good.
Yeah, way better than expected.
And the cats were really cute, although there were not that many present, but very cute cats. Ambience was nice. It was very white compared to usual cat cafes that we've been to. As a cat cafe expert, I must say.
This couldn't happen again. This is that once in a lifetime.
I was actually reflecting a bit on the trip. I was thinking about why do I feel a lot more relaxed when I am with German people. And I think it's because I can really just let go and follow their lead, and you that way also avoid uncomfortable situations or situations where people are looking at you in a weird way because you're doing something wrong in the land of rules.
Wrong.
Also, not speaking the language a lot, it really pairs up with feeling a bit insecure being in public sometimes. It's getting better, and now I have collected easy ways to annoy Germans, and therefore easy ways to avoid street confrontation, be more socially acceptable. Of course, not a comprehensive list, otherwise we will go for hours. Number 1 kind of also applied to number 2. On the sidewalk, stay on the right, do not walk on the bike lane. People will not deal well with that. And this applies to countries where people bike often. This ties a bit with number 2, which is stays also on the right on any escalator. Any escalator. You'll see that people usually stay on the right when they are not moving, so that the left side is for people that are in a rush. And they are people in a rush. There are also places where people rush for no reason. In general, I have a feeling that German people, when they go on a walk, or when they are walking somewhere, even if they're not on a rush, they will walk as fast as they can, regardless. Yeah, and also if you're German watching this, get yourself a Latino friend and go on a walk. It's a place where it makes sense that you want to be fast, but it's also not a place where you need to be, clocking how fast you're doing it. And that is supermarkets. So the way it works is that when you're approaching the cashier at the supermarket, you're putting your things in the little sliding platform. You're rolling up your sleeves, warming up your body, because people here go at the cashier as if it was an Olympic race.
Well, it is a competition.
Either you have a cart and you like throw stuff in your cart and then go pack far away. I think it's a rite of passage, to be honest. I don't think you can avoid it, but I think we can all try our best next time. So I think those are like the 3 most essential things that you will probably learn the first week here in Germany. I just wanted to conclude this weekend in company of little Carlo here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!